What's up, y'all? This your girl Goldmouth. I am coming to y'all today to show you guys how I'm gonna do fried chicken wings in the air fryer. Okay, y'all. So I got my chicken wings. They good and clean, and we're gonna do some waffles. Okay, so it's gonna be fried chicken and waffles. So I got my chicken wings in here. They already cut and clean and everything else. So I'm just gonna season them to my liking. First, I'm just gonna add paprika. Y'all know paprika is just good for putting a little color on it. That's pretty much it, because I don't really never taste nothing special about paprika. And I absolutely love garlic powder. As y'all can see, I got my gloves on today because we going in this thing. Okay, I ain't doing no shaking up or none of that. And I'm gonna add me some Tony's, which is what's in this container. The Tony's seasoning. It's in the green jar at Walmart, the green container. And I'll put a little bit of black pepper. Gotta have black pepper, y'all. And what else? Let me see. Do a little onion powder. Onion powder and garlic powder. You can pretty much, be heavy-handed with it if you want to, because it don't really have no seasoning in it, no salt in it. So right here, this is seasoned salt. Okay, so now all I'm gonna do is mix this together. I'm gonna try to just use one hand with my mixing in case I need some more seasoning, which I probably don't. I'm gonna add a little bit more paprika because I like it to have a little bit of color on it. Really it don't matter with this one because I'm gonna be putting the batter on it. So I'm gonna add a little bit of parsley. Parsley for decorations, y'all, to make it look like you done did something, child, when you ain't did nothing. Okay, so after I get to this point, all my seasonings are mixed in. I am going to get the flour. Well, I'm going to use, it's not flour, it's called chicken seasoned fry. Seasoned chicken fry. I got this from the grocery store. It's the Louisiana crispy. It's crispy, so it's gonna the chicken batter mix. Child, did I just say all of that all messed up? Anyway, I'm gonna put that on the chicken. Let me get me another bowl here. Okay, so I got my chicken fry seasoning mix right here, my batter, and I'm going to just toss my chicken wings in there, flip them around a little bit, and I'm going to place them in my air fryer like so. I'm gonna do that to all the chicken wings. Put them in the air fryer just like that. And while I'm doing this, I am going to get my oil, because y'all know y'all need a little oil if y'all using an air fryer. Still needed oil. I missed some spots on there, so I'm going to put that one back in there because that chicken was kind of big. And I'll put that in there like that. I don't like when I see hair on the chicken, so I tend to just pluck the feathers off, y'all. Okay, so I ain't doing it but making a mess in my air fryer. Maybe that wasn't a good idea, but we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep on going, and then I will show y'all. Make room for that piece. Okay, now I will show y'all what I'm gonna do next. Okay, as y'all can see, I got this chicken in here, And I'm gonna get this oil right here, canola oil that I got from Walmart. And I'm just gonna spray lightly my chicken. Cause you got to kind of get the white part of it, or the flour off, or the color off, I guess, because the chicken will be white, you know, if you don't spray it. It's gonna look like you still got flour left on your chicken after you cook it. So I'm just gonna flip them around. Now I could have did this in a separate plate, which I still can do, but I mean, I'm gonna cook them in here anyway, so I'm just missing a step, you know what I'm saying? Decreasing a step, or whatever you want, if that's what you want to call it. So just coat the chicken with oil, and then I'm gonna put it in the air fryer for like 30 minutes. Okay, air fryer over there. Okay, I'm just gonna put this in the air fryer. Turn it on. I just got a little simple twist knob air fryer, a twist button. Twist it until I get it to 30 minutes, and then I do it at 400 degrees. That's the max. That's the highest my air fryer go. I know some air fryers go higher than that. So while that is in there, I'm going to go ahead and start on this batter for these waffles. Okay, y'all, so it has been 20 minutes since I had this chicken in here. So I'm going to open this and show y'all what it's looking like. That's what it's looking like so far. Trying to get it into the light, y'all, so y'all can see. There we go. That's what it's looking like so far. And I'm going to close it and put it back in there for another, I don't know how long. I'll let y'all know, probably about 5 minutes or so. But and I have my waffle batter right here. I'm letting it set for like 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna put it over here in my waffle iron that I have right here. All I used, y'all, was some Hungry Jack pancake mix, the complete kind where you just add water. But for waffles, you gotta add a little bit of oil, and that's it. Gonna put them in there in a minute. What I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna spray. This is what I use, the Aunt Jemima Buttermilk Complete pancake mix. I'm just going to spray my waffle iron here. As y'all can see, it's hot. And I'm going to add my waffle mix. Just put it in the middle and let it do the rest. Pretty much let it go where it needs to go. Close it up. And we're gonna let that cook. Then our chicken almost ready. Check on this chicken here. Chicken looking good, y'all. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna check on this chicken, see what it's looking like. Okay, that's what the chicken is looking like. Looking good. And over here, I'm gonna check on my waffle. That's what the waffle's starting to look like. Got a few more minutes on that, and then we're gonna be all set. Cook the other waffle, and then we're gonna set the plates. Okay, so my waffle is done. It's done smoking. That's what it looked like when it's done. So I'm gonna take that out, set it in my plate. As y'all can see, the other side is brown, just like that one. Put that in my plate. Set that on the side. Now I have to do my other waffle, and then I'll be back. I'll do the other waffle the same exact way. Okay, y'all, the next waffle is done, and that's what that waffle look like when it's done. Gonna take that one out, and then we're gonna go over here and plate them up. Okay, so now we got the waffles plated up, and here goes the chicken. Take this out. Show y'all what the chicken look like. Fried chicken in an air fryer. Now we only got 4 pieces each, so I'm just cooking for me and my husband, and we got 4 wings each, and I'm just gonna plate them up. Try to make them look cute, y'all. Let's see. That. And then we ready to eat, y'all. For real. Ready to eat. See, the fried chicken come out good and juicy and everything. And that is it, you guys. Look at that. Don't that look good? Tell me that don't look good. Tell me that don't look good, okay? Let me see if I can zoom out for y'all. Okay, that is it. That is our breakfast. I'm gonna put a little tiny bit of butter up there and some syrup. A little butter in the middle. And add some syrup. Do you want syrup?
A whole packet, man. Yeah.
You want on your chicken?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, y'all. Now that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Y'all let me know if y'all try this and let me know how y'all like it. Thanks guys so much for watching, and I will holler at y'all later. Bye.